Hey folks, Mr. Mystery once again. I told you I'd be back. I'm working on some of that Reverie right now. I'm also working on something else. Those of you who have stuck with this channel for its duration thus far, thank you so much, first of all. It's really been great to see so many people get so involved and so dedicated to the YTPC that they'd be here for so long, and especially tuned into my channel. So you might remember this. It's a pipe blank, obviously. Straight shank and stem. Got it years ago. You can look through the archives. I'll put those back up. See if you care to see when I got it. So anyway, I didn't do much with it. Just had a couple of tiny little whittling type tools over the years, but now I have something a little bit more, still MacGyvered, but a little bit more powerful. So I'm going to try this. I don't know if I can get it in frame to actually show you what I'm going to do, but I'll definitely show you the results, or at least an update. And there you have it. Well, the truth is I knew I had the wrong tool for the job, but even so, I would call that a paltry showing at best. Did almost nothing. I was getting ready to pack up, and then I realized I didn't tell you about the Reverie. Speaking of having the wrong tool, this was not the right pipe for it. That said, there was a little bit of a sweetness to it, a little bit of a nuttiness, maybe not so descript. This is usually not my preferred aromatic pipe. So I'll have to try it again in one of those and tell you more. But other than that, it took a while to get through some ashiness. It's usually what happens to aromatics in this pipe. So yeah, I'll try again and update you.